Hey everyone, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about this repair calculator that we just made. We're very proud of it. Um, this thing is going to help you make offers more confidently. What happened is I've talked to a lot of you and I've talked to enough wholesalers throughout the country to where, the big question is, Ryan, how do I evaluate property? Okay, I see how to do the numbers online, but what about when it comes to repair estimates? So this is what we did. We went down through every major repair that you're going to need to know as a wholesaler so that you can easily plug in the amount of foot, the amount of square footage, the quantity, and the calculator is going to calculate your repair estimate for that item for you. Okay, and this is based on a national average. Okay, we went through every single item here and looked at the statistics and got the national average. Plus, based on my experience, I've made adjustments where necessary based on what I've seen in repair estimates that I've got in the future. Here you can see where you can put in either square foot, square yard, quantity, or by the foot, and then it's going to give you an estimate. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how this works real quick. Okay, let's say I want to demo a house on average that is, let's say, 1,000 square foot. Okay, 1,000 square foot. I'm gonna hit that here, boom, and it's gonna give me a number. Okay, based on the national average. All right. Now I'm doing this on my phone, so bear with me. Okay, we can come out of there real easy. Anything you want. You see, I have a complete HVAC upgrade. Now this upgrade includes these three items: furnace, air conditioning, and duct system modifications. Now, as an HVAC technician for 10 years, so I know these numbers are accurate as well. Now, these are also, let me note real quick, this is also based on a mid-grade rehab. Okay, it's not based on a war zone rehab. It's not based on a luxury home rehab. This is based on just your typical average home in the United States, what the repair estimates would be. Now I can go through and you can see I have some stuff in here already. Complete upgrade. If I change this to 0, you see I can, and it will automatically change for me. All right, the calculator's going to do all the work for you. Come down here and let's say I just want I need a furnace in my new house. I don't need an air conditioner. I don't need duct upgrades. Boom. It's going to make your estimate right there. And you come through and go through plumbing, go through your interior walls, go through your flooring, your kitchen. I mean, this thing is exciting what it can do for you. It's going to save you so much time, and it's going to give you confidence when it comes to making your offers. You can go in here and you can print this out, show this to your homeowner. Hey, look, this is about the amount that it's going to cost me to repair. Okay. And then if you want to take it a step further, you can call your contractors out and you can have your contractors' actual estimates. You can see what you estimated it as, what your contractor estimated it as. This thing, we left the cells open in case you wanted to update based on your specific area and the specific homes that you're targeting. So you can see right here the national average for septic is 3,900. Now let's say in your area, after doing some research, you determine that that's 4,500 or 4,400. All you do, this blue number that's down here, we'll change it to 4,400. Okay, now you have your specific market. Now, this is again, this is a national average. So this thing's going to get you close across the board, and it's going to be enough for you to make offers most of you never going to have to edit. I know me as a wholesaler, in the beginning, I got repair estimates so that I understood what repairs were and how much they cost. At this point, I rarely call out a contractor to give me estimates unless I'm going into a rehab and I really want to refine what I'm doing. At that point, then yes. But as a wholesaler, it doesn't happen too often. Like I said, it depends on the house, where you're working at. A lot of factors involved. But your typical wholesale deal, you're never going to call out a contractor. You're going to use this calculator right here. You're going to get your estimates down here. It's going to give you your total for your rehab. Right here next to it, you can do your actual. Down at the bottom, it shows you national renovation costs. Now, this is based on a complete renovation. Okay, 47,000. Low end is 18.5, and then you have your high end 76,000. That's just a little statistics I put down there for you as well. Okay. Now check this thing out. This is the introductory price. It's only $9.95. Go ahead and hop on board. It's downloadable. It's you can use it through Excel, Google Drive. If you needed some different formatting, go ahead and ask us about it. If you mess up your sheet, that's no problem at all. You'll email us at support@guerrillamarketingsystem.com. Like, hey, Ryan, I got to playing around trying to update a few things price-wise, and I messed it up. I'll go ahead and we'll send you a brand new sheet. That's no issue at all, and you can get started from there. That's free for life. Upgrades, they're going to be free for life. We'll eventually get this thing formatted to where maybe it won't be on an Excel sheet. Maybe it will. It just depends how you guys respond and what you want. This came from a need, so that's all we're trying to do is meet a need. Now go ahead, put your information down in the form next to the video, put in your credit card information. Let's get started. You'll get downloaded immediately. You're going to find training videos on how to operate this thing. You'll find just little repair guides to go by, like how to calculate square footage, cubic yard, different things to help you along the way so that you can more confidently make offers. Appreciate y'all.